Hey guys, we are Austin and Hope Cantola, and we are Genesis 3D Printing.
And we specialize in making products for guys to make it a little bit more efficient when you're mobile hunting in the public land or even private land. Genesis 3D Printing started back in 2020. I had a few designs that I made specifically for myself that I wanted to cut costs and save some money when I was saddle hunting. And I realized that there's other people that could benefit from the designs that I was making. It just kind of has grown from there. And it's just a team of two.
Austin is the brains of the operation, and I'm kind of like the skull. I kind of keep things in order and organization, and if you're getting emails, a lot of times it's from me.
We're here today at our Mobile Hunter Tune-Up event. Right now we have a demo going on in the background behind us. We also have a few vendors here and then stuff that we sell. So today's all about just getting people together and then just showing them different ways to mobile hunt, whether it's a saddle, tree stand, and just different products that they could potentially look for at our event today. So this is a very educational day. We're not just using one company's saddle or one company's platform, one company's tree stand. So you can come to our event, try about 15 different saddles out, and just see which one works best for you.
I think it can be very overwhelming too, as far as there's so many different options, so many different brands, so many different ways that you can do things, and so they can come here and they can test it out and see for themselves, because what works for Austin might not work for another hunter.
One of the things about how we do our business, we do it through 3D printing. And what that allows for us is we're cutting the cost for manufacturing because we're not injection molding parts. So we can then sell them to the end user for a cheaper price. So then it makes it a little bit easier for people to get into this style of hunting because we're able to really customize pieces for your setup. So if you're running these specific sticks, you're gonna get a specific product that's designed for those sticks or that platform.
We just want people to get together, be able to learn from each other, ask questions, and just talk saddle hunting.